In our first 2 videos in this series, we looked at the first steps in being a narrator for ACX. As said before, this exact same process works for Findaway Voices. Now we're going to talk about what to do when things go well after you've made your demo and audition. Now that you've won them over, it's time to make your book. Narrator has been specifically designed to help make your audiobook production easy. The first thing that we need to do is open a text file just like before, except that this time it will be the full book. What you will see if you open a book that was written with a structure is that the contents window is filled with the chapters or parts or whatever makes up that book. We're going to talk about how this works in Narrator, but maybe the best way to understand it is to think about how you would record the book in another DAW that wasn't made for making audiobooks. For a 10-chapter book, you would likely make 10 separate sessions. That's because a whole audiobook is long. And ACX will actually want you to send them the book in different parts, which you'll likely do by the chapters. They also will require you to have specific timings for chapter headings. You'll record the chapter, review and edit out mistakes, edit the headings, make sure the noise floor and RMS levels are correct, then export the chapter to a folder. You'll have to do this for each individual chapter. What we've done with Narrator is to automate the technical parts of the process. After you record and edit out mistakes, you'll be ready to publish. The RMS, noise floor, and timings for chapters will be automatically configured for ACX. And because you are recording the entire book in one place, you only have to do this once. That's what the Publish for ACX feature does. Each chapter will be exported individually, and it happens with just a click. If you're working on a book that doesn't already have a structure to it, that's okay too. Our video on creating a structure will walk you through it. A link is in the description. So hopefully we've shown you in this series how we've developed Narrator with you in mind, so you can focus a little more on your performance and a little less on the tech hassles. For more information, go to Hindenburg.com.